Hi everybody. Yeah, I just have a few little random TBS items that came in today. I thought I would take a look at them. First one is a little tempered glass screen protector for the little tiny OLED display on the Tango 2. And also always wanted to try out these little honey stick ends, so I ordered a set of those. These are the M3 size that fit on the Tango 2. They also come in an M4 size, so talk about those in a second. But the first thing is I thought I would try to install this little screen protector, and we'll see if we can do this without getting any bubbles or anything on it, under it. I cleaned the screen with a little glasses cleaner, so there should be no dust under there at all. So now let's see if I can read this. What does it say? So I assume we're at the thing I peeled off is the sticky side, so that should go on the glass. I'm just going to line up one side. Hopefully this goes down perfectly first time. Alright, I think I did it. Applying light pressure.
Welcome to Tango 2.
Looks pretty good. I don't see any bubbles under there. Ah, that was easy. Oh, you see the model on there? A little hint about what's coming up. So anyway, let's take a look at these little honey stick ends here. I think what these are probably best for is if you're a thumb pilot. Because yeah, with thumbing it feels really great. You have a really good grip at all corners of the stick with these big rounded ends. It's pretty nice. Now let's see, what if you're a pincher? I'm not a pincher, but I think a pincher, well, that'd be a matter of personal preference. It feels kind of big for pinching. But now what about hybrid pinching? Which actually recently I've been experimenting with hybrid pinching because it feels pretty natural to me, especially with this radio. That feels pretty good as well. So I think maybe for thumbing and hybrid pinching, these are maybe a fun option. This look obscene yet? Okay, I'll stop doing that. So, okay. So there are those things. So like I said, you can get these at M3 or M4 size, and I think they have a blue and a black color as well. But I think this honey color is actually nice. It's a good, nice color.